David is a young boy. He lives in a small village with his family. His house is simple. The roof is old. The walls are not strong. But David is happy because he has love from his parents. David likes to read. He has only 3 books. He reads them again and again. He dreams of going to the city one day. He wants to learn more, see new places, and meet new people. One evening, David talks to his mother. "Mom," he said, "I want to study in the city." His mother smiles. "David, that is a big dream, but we are poor." David looks at the stars in the sky. "I will try, Mom. One day I will go." His father works in the field. He is tired every day. Still, he says to David, "Son, if you believe, you can do it. But you must work hard, every day, step by step." David listens. He feels hope in his heart.
David begins his journey. Every morning, he wakes up early. He helps his father in the field. After work, he goes to school. He listens carefully to his teacher. David's teacher, Mr. James, sees his passion. One day he says, "David, you are a good student. Do not stop learning." David smiles. "Thank you, teacher. I want to study more." But David has no new books, so he borrows old books from friends. He writes new words in a notebook. He repeats them every night. At school, other children play football. David also likes football, but sometimes he studies instead. His friends ask him, "Why do you always read, David?" He answers, "Because I have a dream." Life is not easy. His shoes are broken. His bag is old. But David walks to school every day. He knows every small step brings him closer to his dream.
1 year later, David hears about a scholarship. If he wins, he can study in the city for free. He is excited. He studies day and night. The day of the test comes. David is nervous. He tries his best, but the questions are hard. After 1 week, the results are out. David does not win. He feels very sad. He walks home slowly. He tells his teacher, "Sir, I failed. Maybe my dream is too big." Mr. James looks at him kindly. "David, listen. Failure is not the end. It is the beginning. You tried. That is the first step." That night, David cannot sleep, but he remembers his teacher's words. He says to himself, "I will not stop. I will try again." The next morning, David wakes up early. The sun is bright. He feels new hope in his heart. David starts again. This time, he studies harder. He wakes up before sunrise. He reads English books. He writes essays. He asks questions in class. His friends notice the change. "You are stronger now, David," one says. David smiles. "Yes, I failed once, but I will not fail twice." His mother supports him. She cooks simple food and says, "David, keep going. I believe in you." His father adds, "Dreams need patience, son. Don't give up." A full year passes. The scholarship test comes again. David enters the room. He is calm. He remembers all his practice. This time, the test feels easier. 1 week later, the result is out. David's name is on the list. He wins the scholarship. He runs to his parents. "Mom, Dad, I did it!" They hug him with tears in their eyes. You see, son, dreams are real if you work for them. David moves to the city. The city is big, noisy, and full of lights. At first, he feels small, but he remembers his journey. In class, he meets new friends from many places. They speak good English. At first, David feels shy, but he practices every day. Slowly, his English becomes better. One day, he stands in front of the class to give a short speech. He says, "My name is David. I come from a small village. Many people thought my dream was impossible, but today I am here. I want to tell you, never stop dreaming. Work hard. Step by step, you can reach the sky." The class claps loudly. David smiles. At night, he writes in his notebook, "Dreams are possible. Step by step, with hope and hard work, we can change our life."